Hey folks, welcome to Market Intraday Analysis by InTheMoneyStocks.com, your leaders in pure technical analysis, avoiding all that Wall Street hype. This video for Thursday, January 26th, 2012 is sponsored by RealTick. Alright, we have a lot to discuss today, folks. The market's reversing, and this is one of the rare days, in fact, the first day, I would say, in the new year, where we've seen a market that has opened up, pushed up, hit a master level, and then reversed and actually is at the lows of the day now. Now, this is key, folks. Listen to this. The profits are flowing for In the Money Stocks members. The answer is simply because of a master level I gave out as much as 2 to 3 weeks ago, which was 133.30 on the SPY. A hit of that, and the shorts taken. And again, just imagine if you went into today and you knew and you were told that prior to today, if the market hits this key level right here, the 133.30, that was the pivot top. Ultimately, you do that, you short right there, and the profits are just in your pocket as it swells bigger and bigger. Now, this should be the beginning of a little bit of a correction, 3 to 5%, according to what our estimates and analysis is showing. But again, bottom line is, I took some SDS right here. That's well in the money. We got a short off on the metal play. It's an ETF that tracks the inverse metal play. That's in the money nicely. And again, you just have to know these levels. I had members shorting this intraday on the spiders and just continuing. They took half off right here at the support level and are still holding some, heading for this level. Again, the profits are there. Take a look at your daily chart. I mean, this is just a great level. See this gap right here going back to July 26th? That was filled. In addition, if you zoom out, you want to see the most amazing thing here? If you zoom out and you take the high from 2007, folks, 5 years ago, or a little less than 5 years, and you connect it to the high of 2011, guess what you have today? Pivot top in the market coinciding with that gap fill. When all these levels coordinate, when they all coordinate, that's when you make money and you nail moves. And the beauty is getting right in at the top. No stress trade. In the Money Stocks does it again here. Beautiful pivot. Members on Traders Life 24/7 are loving it, talking about it, enjoying the shorts, enjoying the profits. Come here, take the 7-day free trial at inthemoneystocks.com. 7-day free trial to the Research Center, which is more geared towards swing traders. That's where we gave out the short on the markets using the SDS as a swing trade, and the BOM, which is a play on the short side of metals. You go long it to be short the metals. And ultimately, if you're a member of the Research Center, you probably just in today's reversal alone, just buying a small position, you probably paid for a year of the service easy. And again, if you're on a free trial, you're in an even better scenario. Bottom line is, market's heading. You could actually scalp this 200 moving average here, folks. I'm going to start scalping here if we get there. So again, if I have to cut this video short, it's because I got to make money. Bottom line is, I'm here to make money. Obviously, my hope is that everyone joins us and starts making money as well. But hey, listen, it's your choice. You can make money, you can not. You can make the right decision, you don't. Whatever you guys want to do, frankly. I'm just here to make myself a good living and teach those who are dedicated and want to learn the proprietary techniques how to do it. And that's what our members here are doing. They're learning how to fish. I'll give them fish too, but we're teaching them how to fish on their own. Okay. In any case, target right here as the market again continues to go. You want to know my entry on SDS? This is a one-day entry, folks. My entry on SDS today was right here, 1708. The low of the day, 1706. Now, why did I know to enter right there and buy the SDS, which is, by the way, now at 1751 in one day? The way you knew to do it is because, again, that coordinated with the 133.30 level on the SPY. Taking a look at the dollar, what's the dollar doing? Dollar is slowly inching up. That's why the markets are going lower. Beautiful little move right there. Gold is still having a good day, but it is coming off the highs a little bit, but still a solid down gold. I actually like gold for a pullback off of these levels. Silver, the SLV, up 26 cents, just slightly positive. I actually think that one's probably due for a pullback as well. The metals really have had a pretty significant sell or run up here in recent days and weeks. If you take a look at the SLV just from the end of 2011, look at this move up from basically 25 all the way to 32. That's percentage-wise a huge move. GLD just as big as well. I mean, look at the GLD from a low here of 148.50 to a high today of 168.50. That's a huge move, a $20 move on the GLD there. So in any case, bottom line is the profits are here to be had. It's up to you to come and grasp them by taking the In the Money Stocks free trial to the Research Center and the intraday stock chat. Let's just go over a couple other charts. JP Morgan was weak yesterday. It's weak again today, down about 7 cents. Goldman Sachs is up 43 cents, hanging in there. We got earnings from Caterpillar this morning, which were actually very, very good. But you can see you already have a little bit of a tail on there, and a possible doji formation, which could be a reversal signal on Caterpillar. Now, the one key about Caterpillar, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is what you have to be looking for in the charts. Look at this beautiful double top right here. You find levels like that, and they're just profit zone trades. I mean, it's about as easy as it can get. All right, looking at a couple other things out there, folks. What else is moving today? Let's take a look at Apple Computer. Apple's down about 250. Again, considering earnings, it gapped up all the way here. It's actually had 2 pullback days from that gap up off of earnings. And again, I wouldn't be surprised to see Apple eventually on any sort of pullback in the markets of 3 to 5%, coming all the way back to about 430 or so. Okay. Amazon, which reports earnings next week, having a nice little day. This is starting its run up into earnings off of Apple. Apple earnings obviously very good. People are going to estimate Amazon's earnings are probably good. So this could continue to trade up to that 200 moving average or so. All right, scanning through, what else do we see here? Let's take a look at Baidu, BIDU, down $1.16. Little weakness there. And again, going back to some of the major charts, let's take a look at the USO, which is oil. USO was up today and is now down. So again, really did come down off those highs. And if we look at the intraday, you can see the reversal on the USO. Pretty ugly sell-off here in the last hour or so. Going back to the SPY, let's take a look. You can see you're just above this pink line, which is also the 200 moving average. That is going to be support. If you take that out later today, you're going to go all the way down. You have another support level right here. All right, this next support level is at 131.10, and then double bottom down here at the 130.75, 80-ish area. All right, but again, beautiful reversal. The only reason you care about this reversal today, I'm going to tell you right now. First off, the key master level, which was called as a top in this market weeks ago. This is where the market's going. That's what was said. That's where it went today. That's why it's important, because it's a major pivot point. In addition, notice how every day prior the market started lower and floated up the rest of the day. Basically, we've done that all year since 2012. All year it's done that. Today, you're not getting that action. That's another signal this market is at a topping point. All right. Again, guys, I got to get back to trading here. There's just too much money to be made. I'm going to get back in the chat room, help them make money, and again, keep my Research Center subscribers up to date on all the swings that we're doing right now. I encourage you to come join the 7-day free trial. Again, it's 7 days free. What do you have to lose, right? As long as you cancel before the end, you're not charged. It's so easy. All right? It's so easy a caveman can do it, as they say. So, again, I encourage you to check it out. You'll make money. That's the bottom line. Talk to you soon, guys. Take care.